Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a newsletter in Squarespace website in 2024. So whether you're looking to keep your audience updated or you're just trying to share some news with your visitors regularly, a newsletter is an excellent tool for you. So make sure to follow this guide to show you how to create a newsletter and let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open that browser, basically just go to this URL section and type squarespace.com. Hit the enter button. If it's your first time, of course, you'll be taken to this page. So I created, okay, I wanted to create something like that. Yeah, here's an example. You'll be taken to this page. As you can see, when I'm logged in, you'll find here my icon. But if it's your first time, you'll find the login option here. So click on that login option to log in into your account if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, instead, click on get started. And as you can see, you can use, you can use like a Google account, Facebook account, or even an Apple account if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. So once you're logged in, you'll find yourself normally in the account dashboard right away. And here, of course, you'll find all the sites that you have. If you don't have any sites yet, you can simply just go from here and create a new site. It's going to be very easy to do. I've already made a video about it. If you need some guidance, you can go and check it out. Of course, you can even create like a website if you're bad at designing or bad at creating websites. You can create a website using AI in Squarespace now. I've already made a video about it again. You can go and check it out again. And other than that, if you have multiple websites, just choose the websites, of course, that you want to create a newsletter on. So an example for me, it's going to be on this website, which is OMXS, and I'll just go and access that. So in here, as you can see, this is my website. I'll just go and create a newsletter. So first, of course, you might need to enable email campaigns on your Squarespace account if you hadn't or if you didn't do it already. You can simply in here go to this list panel and you'll find the marketing option. Click on that, and as you can see in here, marketing, grow your audience, and you'll find multiple things basically that will help you out trying to get more audience or visitors to your site. So an example, give your visitors or your site visitors a way to subscribe. They're telling you like stuff to do, especially if you just create the website. Other than that, import existing email subscribers or add a promotional pop-up to your site. Of course, watch our email marketing webinar or webinar. Why? Of course, it will let you learn how to use Squarespace built an email marketing tool to grow and engage your audience. So you can click on register an example and register to it here. This will help you out. As example, duration is just 45 minutes. It will help you out understand how to engage with your audience with email campaigns. It's very, very important. Of course, make sure also to enable it in email campaigns here on marketing or in their marketing. If you don't have it yet, make sure to go through it. As example, I have 0%. So make sure for you to select an email template, create an email list, and add some sender details. Make sure you'll enable it with that. So other than that, just go back to website. And of course, basically for you, you can go and create, or first of all, if you didn't design your site yet, make sure to do it. Design all the pages that you want, all the sections that you want, add all pages, add all functions until your site match your needs. You can change colors, fonts, text. It's up to you to do whatever you want with your site, especially if you just created it. So for us, as we said, we would like to create a newsletter. So I'll just go back here to email campaigns because there where we'll create, of course, a newsletter. So I'll just go here and start with that. So select an email template. So as you can see in here, we have multiple options. Like you can view all the templates, promote a product or service templates, like promote a class or event, announce a sale, share an update, maybe send a follow-up, share your content, write a note, ask for support, say thanks. Or you can see here your own template that you already have, like some drafts, some that you sent, or some automations. Or you can even start blank and start customizing your newsletter from the beginning. So you can just go and choose whatever suits you. You can choose from the templates that Squarespace gives you. Of course, as you can see, Squarespace offers a variety of pre-designed layout, but you can always like customize them to fit your brand. Maybe as an example, I want this one. Maybe you can use it as you can see, and you can customize it however you want. So as an example, I'll keep scrolling here. I'll go maybe announce a sale, maybe. I don't know. And yeah, why not? I'll just do this and click on use the template. So in here, once you click on use the template, I'll have to wait a bit. And now as you can see, they give me access to change everything that I want about this newsletter or about this email. So just go and change whatever you want, like the email background, change the contents background, change the pictures, add some sections, change the font packs, font size, font colors. And also here, you can add, or you should add a subject line. Email preview, of course, if you click on it here, you'll see how this look like. You should add some tags, as an example, to it, to from a lot of other things. And of course, from here, you can send it to recipients once you've customized your newsletter, or you can send tests, of course, before to test it out. But of course, as you can see, you'll not be able to do it unless you fill up those informations first. Of course, that's once you finish with your styling, with styling your site. So an example here, subject line as example, I'll just name it test here. Email preview, I'll just enter a random email in here as an example. Yeah, so I'll just do some random things in here. Or subscribers, why not? Sender details, maybe you'll have to add that as an example. So tester, test example at gmail.com. Just add in some random one. Okay, it's not going to be accepted, so I'll just go and add like a real one. And an example, emails from Gmail might be sent to spam, but it's fine. Of course, I don't mind that. Email verification, of course, you'll have to enter the email verification that's sent to your email, so I'll just go and do that. Why not? Squarespace, as you can see, so 41, 98, and 01. 01 or 07? Yeah, it was 07. So then click on next. As you can see, it has been verified. So now go back. Just fill up any other informations. Normally, before sending it to anyone, you would like to set up some email lists. If you don't have one already, of course, you can just go back. As example here to marketing, of course, email campaigns, and you will need, of course, to create a mailing list. If you don't have one, click some lists as example, or create some lists so you can send the email to. Now, once you finish, of course, with having the list and everything, you can simply send that newsletter that you created or schedule it as an example to be sent in another date. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.